Okay,
Good morning.
are you ready for the intervention?
Yes, I am ready.
What is your name?
My name is Kelly Gonzalez Cuadras.
Okay, very good. What are you?
I am 25 years old.
Okay, what did you do? Hometown?
I grew up in Cartagena.
Okay, where did you live?
I live in Cartagena.
What is your marital status?
I am single.
What is your hobby?
I am. I like watch TV. I enjoy watch TV, listen to the music, going to the gym. I my free time visit my friends and family.
Very good, Kelly. What is your profession?
I am a mistress assistant.
Okay, tell about your working experience.
I worked as a cashier in Banco de Vivienda for 7 years ago. Now I have been administrative assistant for 3 months ago.
Okay, Kelly. What is your academic background?
I am studying in business administration at the Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia.
Very good. What is your personal qualities?
My personal qualities are honest, team player, creative, and others.
Very good, Kelly. What is your skill and weakness?
My skills are my great strengths. I find it easy to connect with almost anyone, and I often know how to empathize with others in an appropriate way.
Very good, Kelly.
And I think my weaknesses, I think public speaking, intimate, and have often struggled with presentation.
Excellent. What what makes you the best candidate for the position?
I am a good candidate because for several reasons, but most especially because of my dedication to going about and becoming enjoy in a job.
Okay, very good. What will we get if we hear you?
You have my will get my knowledge and skills into the development and pursuit of the objective purposes. By this HDMO, my academic and professional achievements.
Very good, Kelly.